Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today in English literature, we will read chapter 17, Kindness to Animals. Take a look, children. You will find these words in the lesson. So let us learn how to pronounce them. RK sounds irk, bark, mark, dark, and bark. RT sounds like earth, dart, hurt, and start. Now let's start. Early one morning, Satish and Ramesh took their dog Moti for a walk in the park. It was still a little dark. Do you know it is always a little dark before sunrise, children? That is the best time to wake up and go for a walk. So, Ramesh and Satish took their dog for a walk in the park. What is the name of the dog? Moti is the name of the dog. Moti saw an old man coming and began to bark. "Stop barking, Moti," said Satish. "Stop barking or the man will beat you." The old man heard this and said, "I never hurt any animal. Do you beat your dog?" "No, we are very fond of Moti," said Ramesh. "We can't be cruel to our dog." Cruel means unkind. "You must not be cruel to any animal," said the man. Now you know, children, that dog barks when they see strangers. So Moti also started barking at the old man. We also know that strangers can be good or bad. So Satish thought the old man could hurt Moti. But the old man was rather very kind, and he believed that no one must be cruel to animals. Even Satish and Ramesh agreed with the old man. Just then, a bird darted suddenly. Darted means moved quickly from its nest. Moti, the dog, started running after it. Satish looked into the nest and cried out, "Come here, Ramesh. There are some baby birds in the nest with pretty black and white marks. I think we can take them home." Satish was surprised because he had found some baby birds in the nest with black and white marks. Satish quickly called Ramesh. Cried means he screamed. Cried means he screamed with surprise. And Satish thought that he could take them home. "No, you must not take the baby bird away from the nest," said the old man. "But we will give them food and we will look after them," said Ramesh. "If you take them away, the mother bird will cry," said the old man. "All animals and birds are our friends. We must never hurt them. We must always be kind to them." So children, even though we know that Ramesh and Satish were very loving towards their pet Moti, and they could take good care of the birds. But the old man advised them to leave the baby birds in the nest because their mother would cry. It would hurt the mother because she had gone to get food for the baby birds. Now you can see in this picture the old man, Ramesh and Satish, and there is a nest on the tree, and you can see the baby bird with black and white spots. And see the dog. What is the name of the dog, children? Moti is the name of the dog. There is such an important lesson to learn from this story, children. Animals can also be emotionally hurt. So we must be careful with how we treat them. They are also made by our God Almighty, and we must learn to be kind to them. As you know that they can't speak, children. Have you ever heard any animal speaking to you? No, but they still show their love to us. You can make out that the dog is saying something to you, though the dog cannot speak out. And so they also feel bad if we ill-treat them, children. So we must always be kind to the animals. So this is today's work. You have to do it in English literature, notebook number 1, children. First we will do difficult words. Herd, pretty, friend, fond, kindness. Suddenly, Mark cried, early, beat, park, cruel, hurt, start, and dark. These are the 15 difficult words, and you have to learn these spelling, children, for dictation. Write them and learn the spellings and speak them loudly so that you may pronounce them properly. Exercise number 2 is word meaning. Hurt. Hurt means harm. Number 2, cruel. Cruel means unkind. Number 3, darted. Moved rapidly or quickly. Number 4, nest. A bird's home. Hurt and nest you must be knowing, but these are 2 new words for you. So learn these meanings nicely by heart. Now do this work in your literature notebook and learn it. Thank you.